Hello everyone, welcome to U.S. Immigration News. In today's immigration update, we're diving into the latest predictions for the November 2024 Visa Bulletin. With green card wait times affecting millions of people, both in family-based and employment-based categories, understanding the shifts in visa availability is crucial. As we head into the final months of 2024, many are eager to know whether the backlogs will improve or worsen. Let's take a closer look at what's expected for November and how these changes could impact green card applicants. If you are interested in any of these topics, please stick around till the end of this video for your immigration updates. If you like this video, please hit the bell button, subscribe, and like it so that you may get updates straight to your smartphone or other smart device's YouTube page whenever there are any new ones. Millions of immigrants worldwide are waiting for their chance to live the American dream. But with new Visa Bulletin predictions for November 2024, will that dream come closer, or slip further away? The U.S. State Department recently released its October 2024 Visa Bulletin, and it contains crucial updates for both employment-based and family-based immigration categories. For those hoping to obtain a green card, the Visa Bulletin is a vital tool. It determines when applicants can file for permanent residency and when they'll receive a decision on their status. So, these monthly updates can make or break the plans of millions waiting in line. Let's break down the latest changes and predictions. In fiscal year 2024, the government estimates 165,000 green cards will be available for employment-based categories. While this number is slightly lower than the 197,000 available in FY 2023, it still exceeds the legal minimum of 140,000, thanks to unused family-based green cards from FY 2023. This surplus will impact the current backlog, but not as significantly as many had hoped. For family-based categories, the situation is still difficult. The waiting periods for certain countries, especially Mexico and the Philippines, remain exceptionally long. For example, U.S. citizens trying to sponsor their siblings from the Philippines face a wait time of over 20 years. That's a staggering amount of time for families hoping to reunite. What about employment-based green cards? The State Department warns that retrogression could soon hit the employment second and third categories, especially for applicants from high-demand countries like India, China, Mexico, and the Philippines. Retrogression occurs when demand outpaces the available visas, causing priority dates to move backward. In simple terms, this means some applicants may see their wait times increase. For India, in particular, the backlog is monumental. There are over 426,000 Indian nationals waiting in the employment second category alone, and the predictions for November 2024 suggest a 2 to 3 week movement in priority dates. Although it's some progress, the sheer volume of applicants means that for many, it's still a long wait ahead. And let's not forget about the country caps. Each country is limited to 7% of the total available green cards each year. This per country cap creates sharp disparities, especially for high-demand countries like India and China, where applicants face much longer waits than those from smaller nations. For those waiting in the employment-based first, EB1, category, the November 2024 predictions show some movement. India and China can expect slight improvements in priority dates, advancing by 2 to 3 months for India and 1 to 2 weeks for China. However, for all other countries in the EB1 category, the dates remain current, meaning no delays are expected for applicants from countries outside of these two major players. But these numbers don't tell the whole story. Beyond the statistics, there are real families, real careers, and real lives hanging in the balance. Many employment-based immigrants have been living in the U.S. for years under temporary work visas, building their lives and contributing to the economy. Yet, the unpredictability of the Visa Bulletin leaves them in limbo, unable to fully settle down, buy homes, or plan for their futures. It's not just the applicants themselves who suffer. Their children are often caught in the system's delays, with some facing the risk of aging out of eligibility when they turn 21. Once they age out, these children can no longer maintain legal status in the U.S. and may be forced to leave, separating them from their families. The emotional toll on these families is enormous. With predictions of retrogression, especially in employment-based categories, we might see some backward movement in priority dates. However, the fiscal year's reset on October 1 usually offers a glimmer of hope, with new visas becoming available. For those stuck in the backlog, this could mean some movement forward, albeit slow. In conclusion, the Visa Bulletin remains an essential guide for those navigating the complex U.S. immigration system. While the numbers for November 2024 show some progress, the path to obtaining a green card is still fraught with long waits, backlogs, and uncertainty. For the millions waiting, these updates are a reminder of just how intricate and unpredictable the U.S. immigration process can be. That's all we have for you in this bulletin. I hope you found this video useful. We will continue to keep a close eye on the developments of immigration-related updates and will publish new videos when there are more updates. The U.S. Immigration News Channel provides all necessary visa information and procedures for your U.S. immigration journey. It is important to understand the United States immigration processing steps, visa application requirements, processing times, forms, fees, and more. We will continue to provide all information about U.S. visitor visas such as B1 and B2, work visas such as L1A, L1B, and H1B, student visas, green cards, immigrant visas, EB1, EB2, EB3, EB4, and EB5, and family immigrant visas. Thank you for visiting us today, and we'll see you in the next video. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe channel for more U.S. immigration update videos.